Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the byte offset property. So what it property does is represent the offset in bytes, the of the value from the start in its array buffer, or you can say the shared array. You can use it anywhere from array buffer to anywhere. So for here I'm gonna use the array buffer example and use the view for the data view. So for the first I'm gonna create a array buffer, and what we usually do, the size in bits, pass the size in bits. So name it as a variable called buffer, use the new operator array buffer, and inside that we will pass 16 bits. And after that what we're gonna do is create another variable called view and equals to a new data view. Use the data view constructor. Inside that we're gonna pass the buffer, and as a second argument we're gonna pass 12 and then 4, and close that. Now if we log it on a console, the view dot byte offset, it will returns you 12 because we pass as a second argument. This is what it does. You can get the bytes if you want to get that. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.